went right to the page. I like that. So this is a 66 Cadillac shop manual. You know, cars back in the day, they have manuals that are pretty much go through. GM gave you step-by-step ways to actually fix, you know, the parts that you're working on. They come with an index, basically going to go over all of the things that you can do. It'll list, you know, VIN and decoding information in the beginning. But it's so important why I'm showing this right now. Oh wow, look, this is good. They even got latch diagram and the general information. Maintenance points and lubrication points. So the latches that's on the cars, while they go bad sometimes, is people don't take time. They actually was manufactured and they should be maintenance and lubricated. It's not like a sealed design. So over time, you need to, you know, lube them up to where they kind of work effortlessly and they kind of keep that squeaking noise you may hear open and go. But every part of the car is going to pretty much go over with you. And then it has, you know, your heating and air conditioning, all the components. Well, obviously we're working on the frame of the Eldorado, and I went online and I used a frame diagram, which basically lets you know whether it's a convertible, which frame holes had to have a bushing in it. You know, the convertible differs from the different models here. All your Fleetwood 75s, you can see it had a bushing on every hole on the frame except for one. On the convertible, same thing. Every hole on the frame except for one had a bushing on it, you know. So, and it tells you the different style of bushing. One is a more thin bushing here, the other one is a full bushing. One goes into a caster nut on the vehicle, the other one has a nut that you put on top of it, which would be the ones in the front. So, but the importance of it is the diagram that I used didn't have all of the bushings listed. So we caught it, I went home, got it, sent a picture to Mr. Chris, and he's actually finishing up the last body mount locations, because we're using a universal body mount for the vehicle. The body mounts for the car, they don't necessarily make the original ones anymore. It's an aftermarket version of it, and a forum group recommended this particular design, and it'll just give you, it's a polyurethane bushing number 2, so it's a lot stronger than the rubber bushing. So it'll be a real good fit, you know, nice little clean fit. So it has brought a couple of challenges that, you know, Mr. Chris saw getting the bushings in because of the size of them. The diameter of them is a little bigger than the old one, but it'll fit good. Get you a shop manual for your car if they make them. Get more intimate with your car, you know, read up on it. It'll teach you different things, and then now, you know, half of the maintenance stuff you can kind of do yourself, you know, hands-on with this. Pretty cool. So let me see. The only one that don't get it is number 2. Be able to fit the bigger bushing, and there you go. You know, so all, you know, even down to doing, like, you know, depending on how old of a car you have, you know, certain things aren't available for it, so you got to customize it. Like right now, this hole isn't big enough for this to fit through, so we still got to open it up more to be able to get it through, and then we'll have this, which is what you want.